Question number 3. Find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Here one triangle is given to you with 3 points. First point I have taken as point A, that is 0, -1. Second one 2, 1, that is B. Third point C I have taken as 0, 3. Here given to you, when you join the midpoints of each side of a triangle, it will give you another new triangle. See, look here, you can find out the point D coordinates because D is a midpoint of AB. You know the midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So write it here, D is midpoint of AB. First A coordinate, that is 0, -1, B coordinate, that is 2, 1. Mark it x1, y1, x2, y2. By using the midpoint formula, we can find the D point coordinates, that is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Do you remember this formula, midpoint formula? We already used in previous exercise. x1 plus x2, 0 plus 2, that is what? 2 upon 2, comma. y1 plus y2, that is -1 plus 1, it will give you 0 upon 2. So we can write that 2 and 2 cancel one time, 0 upon 2 is what? 0. So the D coordinates are 1, 0. Then we have to find out the E point coordinates also. Write here D point, that is 1, 0. Right. Second part I am going to find out E point coordinates. So before that write B, that is 2, 1, C, that is 0, 3. Mark x1, y1, x2, y2. You know that E is a midpoint of BC. This is given in your question. So write it here, E is midpoint of BC. By midpoint formula, we can find out the coordinates of E point. You can write it. Again, I am not writing the formula, just applying the values. x1 plus x2, that is what? 2 plus 0 is what? 2 upon 2. y1 plus y2, 1 plus 3, that is what? 4 upon 2. 2 by 2, that is 1. 4 by 2, that is what? 2. So E coordinates are 1, 2. Write it here also 1, 2. Then you have to find out the F coordinate also. F is a midpoint of what? AC. So write it here. A point, that is 0, -1 and C point, that is 0, 3. x1, y1, x2, y2 I marked. Then write it. F is midpoint of AC. By midpoint formula, we can find out the coordinate of F. F of x, y, which is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. x1 what it is? 0 plus 0 upon 2, that is what? 0 upon 2. y1 plus y2 -1 plus 3, it will give you 2 upon 2. So 0 upon 2 is what? 0 and 2 upon 2 is what? 1. So 0, 1. So F coordinates are 0, 1. So I got the 3 points, coordinate points, that is D, E and F. They told you in the question, when you join these 3 points, midpoints, you will get another new triangle. Here I am going to find out the ratio of new triangle and the old given triangle, that is ABC. Here I am going to find out area of DEF upon area of ABC ratio. I am going to find out. So first of all you have to find out the area of DEF and you have to find out the area of ABC. Divided both, you will get the ratio. In fourth part, we are going to find out area of DEF. You know that the formula half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Close the modulus. First of all, I want to write what is x1, what is y1, what is y2, x2, everything. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. See, write it half. x1 is what? 1. y2 minus y3. What is y2? That is 2 minus y3. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. Directly I am writing. Plus x2 is what? 1. y3 minus y1. So y3 minus y1. 1 minus 0 will be what? 1 only. Plus x3. What is the x3 value? 0. y1 minus y2. y1 is what? 0. Minus y2 is what? 2. 0 minus 2 will be what? Minus 2. Close the modulus. Half. 1 into 1, that is plus 1. Again 1 into 1, that is plus 1. 0 into minus 2, it will give you 0. So half. 1 plus 1, what it is? Plus 2. So simply directly we can write it plus 2. 2 and 2 cancel. So here area what you got? 1. Square units. Don't forget to write square units. Then go to find out the area of ABC because I need the ratio area of DEF upon area of ABC. So I am going to find out in fifth part area of ABC. For that you have to write the A, B and C coordinates and put x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Write the formula again, half into x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. Close the modulus. Write the coordinate points. A, that is 0, minus 1. B, that is 2, 1. Be careful while writing the coordinate points. C, 0, 3. Mark x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Put up the values in the formula. Half. x1 is 0 into y2 minus y3. y2 is what? 1 minus 3. It will give you minus 2. Plus x2 value is what? 2 into y3 minus y1. 3 minus of minus plus 1, that is 4. Plus x3 value, that is 0 into y1 minus y2. y1 is what? Minus 1. Minus y2, that is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Close the modulus. Half. 0 into any value will be 0. 2 into 4, that is plus 8. 0 into minus 2, it will give you 0. So you will get half into 8. That is what? 4. So area of ABC, I got 4 square units. So I want to find out the ratio of area of DEF triangle upon area of ABC. They asked the ratio, that's why I put in divide. Area of DEF you got what? 1 square unit. So 1 upon. Here ABC area, how much you got? 4. The ratio is 1:4. That's your answer. Thank you.